So Chantelle, we've made it as far as the keys, and we've come a long way. What do you think? We just did a rehearsal. How do you think it went up there?
Yeah, it was different being on the stage in there. I think you just kind of got a feel for what it's going to be like tonight, and then just all the sound and everything was.
Well, I think the good thing I think about tonight will be that because I know whenever I first met you actually was in Inver Festival, and I know you're from Balmullet, but
Yeah.
when I heard you singing, just to tell the viewers at home that I absolutely love their voice, and it's kind of real old school country, but it has I think we're bringing a sort of a modern sort of a country vibe to it, and I think our voices kind of work pretty well together. So I'm really excited about doing that. You know, you've got a lot of great country music background. I know your parents and all that were into country music, and you've taken a lot of that experience, and you've taken a lot of the modern thing as well. And I think you have everything that you completely need to do a great job tonight. And I hope you have a great time. And Joanna, I wish you all the best because I think you're class. So
Thank
see
you.
this woman singing, guys. It's awesome.